and see how you can make money in renewables. And bring in Sophie Karp, Director of Utilities and Alternative Energy at KeyBanc. Sophie, it's good to have you on. The Inflation Reduction Act just threw over $300 billion in tax credits at the renewable industry. I don't know much, but I know that somebody's going to benefit from that. Who will it be?
For sure, and thanks for having me. Appreciate that. It's good to be on. Yeah, definitely the IRA has been a massive tailwind for the industry, but there is also headwinds from the policy front, Brian. And in fact, 2022 was indeed a perfect policy storm for the sector. On the positive side, we have the IRA, but then on the negative side, we have UFLPA enforcement, which is a Forced Labor Act, right? So which holds up a lot of imported solar panels on the border. We had NEM reform in California, which could be a headwind for some players. And, AD/CVD enforcement also creates some noise in the space. So what is the best way to get exposure to the positive trends here going to 2023? We think it's through equipment names, right? And I think the First Solar particularly is probably the best way to get exposure here. That is a company that manufactures solar panels. It's a U.S. domestic company. It's definitely ahead of its competition on domestic capacity additions that would benefit from the IRA. It is my belief that they will announce additional expansion in the near term, and they have a strong balance sheet to finance it. And the thin film modules are not impacted by UFLPA enforcement at all.
And Sophie, I missed the name. Who is that?
First Solar.
First Solar, yeah, and they've done well. Their stock has done. I noted it's, I think, the 8th best performer in the S&P 500 this year. The other, by the way, 10 were oil and gas. Are they going to be they are the big dog, but are they going to be the big winner in the United States?
Indeed, you are correct. They're one of the best performance now coverage as well. And yet, despite being up 80% year to date, it still screens attractive on valuation, believe it or not. It's trading at 15 times PE on 2024 numbers. And they make solar panels. They make them in the U.S. They are one of the best positioned names to expand capacity domestically and harvest all these tax benefits from the IRA. So, yeah, we think they are one of the best names in the space to get exposure to this.